Welcome to this grounding meditation practice. Seated comfortably on a chair, with your feet flat on the floor, and your hands resting gently on your thighs or in your lap. Close your eyes softly, allowing yourself to settle into this moment. Take a few deep breaths. Inhaling deeply through your nose, and exhaling fully through your mouth. Releasing any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Now, bring your awareness to the sensation of your feet, pressing into the ground beneath you. Feel the support of the earth beneath you, grounding and stabilizing you. Visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet, extending deep into the earth below. With each breath, imagine these roots growing stronger, anchoring firmer onto the ground. Remember that we are always supported by Mother Earth. Take this moment to connect with the energy of the earth. Feel its steady, nurturing presence beneath you. With each inhale, draw up this earth energy through your roots, feeling it flow into your body, filling you with strength, stability, and a deep sense of groundedness. Allow this energy to flow freely through your entire being, replenishing and nourishing you on all levels. As you continue to breathe, take a moment to scan through your body. Notice any sensations that arise in your body. Allow yourself to fully experience these sensations without judgment or resistance. If you feel tension in any parts of your body, gently breathe into them with each exhale, and feel them soften and relax. Anchor into the present moment with your breath. Notice the rhythm of your inhale and exhale. With each exhale, release any remaining tension or stress, letting it dissolve into the earth below you. Visualize a warm, golden light surrounding your body, creating a protective shield of positive energy. Feel this light filling you, with a sense of safety and security, wrapping you in its loving embrace. Allow yourself to bask in this radiant light, knowing that you are safe, supported, and deeply loved. Slowly expand your awareness beyond your physical body, feeling your connection to the earth and all of creation. Sense the interconnectedness of all living beings, knowing that you are part of something greater than yourself. Feel the pulsating energy of the universe flowing through you, animating every cell of your being with its divine light. Take a moment to express gratitude for yourself and for this practice. Acknowledge the courage it takes to show up for yourself in this way, and honor the commitment you've made to your own well-being. Know that you can return to this sense of groundedness and stability whenever you need it, simply by reconnecting with your breath and the earth beneath you. When you're ready, gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, gradually bringing awareness back to your surroundings. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this grounding meditation practice. May you carry this sense of peace and stability with you throughout your day, knowing that you are always supported and embraced by our beautiful Mother Earth. Namaste.